Welcome to the Windows Club. If the Paint 3D software is stuck at "we are getting the update ready for you," then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to check the internet connection. Try opening any website on the browser and check if it works. The next solution is to install an update through the Microsoft Store. Search for the Microsoft Store in the Windows search bar and click on this option to open the Microsoft Store window. Then search for Paint 3D, and under this open option you'll get an option to update if an update is available. In my case there is no update available, so I do not get the update option. It would look something like this. Please click on it to update Paint 3D to the latest version. The last solution would be to repair and reset Paint 3D. Right click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the Apps tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Apps and Features. In the Apps and Features window, search for Paint 3D in the search bar. This is the search bar. I will type Paint and this is Paint 3D. Once you find it, click on the three dots associated with it, select Advanced Options. In the Advanced Options window, scroll down to the Reset column. First of all, you can consider repairing it and after that reset it. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.